Do not buy the Air Jordan 1 Light Fusion Red.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
The Air Jordan 1 Light Fusion Red releases this Saturday and retails for $170. This sneaker should have been a grade school release. It is not. This is a men's Air Jordan 1. I'm going to tell you guys right now to not buy this sneaker. Do not hold on to it. Buy them for the quick flip to make a few dollars if you're lucky, and move on to the next release. There's a look at the label. We have the typical Air Jordan 1 box. Right here we have the Air Jordan 1 Light Fusion Red. I'm gonna tell you guys right now that this sneaker quality is very, very good. This is one of the best quality Air Jordan 1s of the entire year, possibly in quite some time, to keep it real. The quality of this sneaker, the materials used, is butter. Very, very nice. This is the material we want on our Air Jordan 1s. Colorway wise, not so much, but definitely materials used. This is what we want to see, Jordan Brand. This is it. This is very, very nice. This is what we like to see. As you guys can see, McDonald's colors. I know you guys are gonna blow it up in the comments because that's what this reminds you of. It reminds me of it too, to keep it real. This sneaker, in my opinion, is ugly. I'm not a fan of this Air Jordan 1 at all. I did buy them, of course, to do some content on them. So please at least hit that thumbs up for me. It does go a long way in helping out the channel and helping the channel grow. Let me know what you guys think about the Light Fusion Red Air Jordan 1 down below in the comments. Do you like this colorway? The Nike Air on the tongue. I like that gradient effect. I think that's really, really dope. That's a nice touch. Probably the only part of the sneaker I like besides the quality. Once again, the leather is very soft, tumbled. This is what we like to see. This is dope. Black bottom, nice and easy to clean. Your white midsole, white upper, and the Light Fusion Red color. More of an infrared color. It reminds me a lot of the 2014 black and white infrared 6s. That's what it reminds me a lot of. And then this gold yellow color, it's more of an orange kind of gold yellow mix. You gotta see it in person. You really gotta see it in person. It's not exactly to McDonald's colors. That's more of a brighter yellow, but I could see the colorway of why you guys are saying McDonald's colors. They do come with a bunch of extra laces, which is dope. We have a ton of laces on this Jordan 1. First of all, the white laces already on the shoe. Then they come with the yellow, the Light Fusion Red, and black. You have 4 lace options. That's a lot for a Jordan 1. That's a lot. And then the inside you do have the Light Fusion Red and then the orange Nike Air on the insole. This is a clean Jordan 1 quality wise, but like I said, colorway wise, in my opinion, trash. I want to jump in real quick to let you guys know about the giveaway going on the channel for the University Blue Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 1s in this video, and then give me a follow on Instagram, DM me proof that you did everything. I'll be picking a winner in about 2 weeks time, so be sure to get your entries in for this pair of University Blue Air Jordan 1s. This Jordan 1 is a brick and not going to be a Jordan 1 you're going to be able to make a lot of money on. This is going to take way too long to go up in price. These are also going to go for right around retail. This is a brick Air Jordan 1. Back-to-back brick releases. These are going to be a brick for a long time. And these to go with it. Back-to-back brick Air Jordan 1 releases. However, they are clean. I really like the quality. I can't get over the materials used. It's so nice. Really, really dope. Leather used on all around the sneaker, to be honest. Even the midsection, the mid panels, everywhere. Just really nice materials. Just a trash colorway, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think about the Light Fusion Red Air Jordan 1 down below in the comments. Let me know if they're a cop. Let me know if they're a drop for you. Do not recommend holding on to this sneaker. This would be a quick flip. I think prices right now are so bad. So bad the shoe hasn't even released yet. Man, these are gonna go for retail maybe $10 more than retail. Honestly, retail plus tax, and that's about it. This is gonna be a brick Jordan 1, guys. Quick flip them locally if you can. If you can go get 190, 200, take it. Take it, because this is a brick Jordan 1. This is going to take a very long time. They will, of course, go up like most Jordan 1s do, like most Jordans do, to be honest, but it's going to take way too long. Way too long. This is going to be a few-year hold. A few years, in my opinion. Not worth it at all. Don't buy the Light Fusion Red Air Jordan 1 for investment. Buy them if you want them for a personal. This will be, once again, another affordable Jordan 1 at not that crazy resale price of $300, $400, $500. You'll see these go for about retail, which is cool. Maybe a few dollars over, and that's about it. Quick flip them. Cop them if you like them. If you don't like them, pass. I like the tongue the best. That is my favorite part right there. There's a few reasons I believe this sneaker is going to be a brick and is not a hold. First of all, colorway. It's not that wearable. I feel like a lot of guys are not going to be wearing this sneaker like that. This is a sneaker more so to look at. Yes, of course, people will put them on feet, but I don't feel like people really care to wear this sneaker like that. Yeah, it'll pop on feet. It'll be really tough to match, to be honest. This sneaker's going to be really hard to pull off, and I don't feel like most people can really pull this off. This is going to be a hard sneaker to rock for a lot of people. I also feel like there's not a lot of hype when it comes to this Jordan 1 release. Sure, there's hype. It's a Jordan 1, but it's not the typical hype like there is on the University Blue Jordan 1s, the Hyper Royal Jordan 1s, the Shadow 2.0 Air Jordan 1s. There's not that type of hype regarding this sneaker. This is just a new colorway that I feel like a lot of people were not really anticipating. I feel like a lot of people don't really care for this sneaker too much. I definitely think once people get this sneaker in hand, they'll see the quality, and this will go up there as one of the best quality Air Jordan 1s, definitely of this year, and like I said, possibly in quite some time. This is a really nice quality Jordan 1. Quality is superior on this Jordan 1, just not the colorway whatsoever. Color blocking is awesome, just not the colors they chose. Let me know if you'll be wearing this Jordan 1, if you're gonna rock them, what you plan to rock them with. I am interested to see. I definitely think it'll be a hard shoe to pull off for a lot of us. I personally could not pull these off. I don't think I even want to pull these off. I'm just not a fan of the colorway like that. But I love the materials, man. I love the materials on this Jordan 1. I see these Jordan 1s being just another Jordan 1 that people kind of just don't gravitate towards. There's no nostalgia behind it. There's nothing really gravitating us towards it. So this will just be another Jordan 1, in my opinion, that'll take quite a long time to go up in price. This is a brick Jordan 1 for quite some time. So quick flip them, but do not invest and do not hold the Jordan 1 Light Fusion Red. Let me know what you guys think about the Light Fusion Red Air Jordan 1. Let me know if they're cop, drop, what you guys think about resale. Do you agree? Do you think they'll go up in price? How long do you think it'll take? Are they worth the investment? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. They're clean. They're dope. I like the quality, just not a fan of the colorway. Let me know what you guys think about them. Hit that thumbs up if you guys enjoyed today's video. Hitting that thumbs up really does help the channel grow. Be sure to give me a follow on Instagram if you guys want to win some cheap Air Jordan 1s. You buy a sticker, you get your name entered into a spin wheel, and you win some Jordans for cheap. You are buying a sticker, everybody gets a sticker, and then you get your name entered for some hype Jordans, Mochas, University Blues, Hyper Royals, Union 4s I'm doing, Travis Scott's. Come give me a follow on Instagram. Trust me, you will be satisfied. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.